Hey guys, Jason from Makers Woodshop here. We are on site and we are going to be installing a 16-foot black walnut countertop, as well as some shelves and a back bar as well. So yeah, take a look. So we're bringing in the back bar right now. We had to cut sink holes into both countertops, and we didn't want to do it in the shop. We wanted to wait until we were actually on site, make sure that the holes lined up completely with the cabinets. So McCabe and I are carrying it in. We're gonna straddle the two countertops and cut the countertops. The vacuum does a really good job of catching all the dust. There wasn't much cleanup left. There is just a little bit. And now we're carrying in the big island top. This thing was over 16 foot long, 4 foot wide. It weighed at least 300 pounds, probably more than that. You can see we're taking 6 guys to carry it in right now. And the cutout there is actually for a small desk area that he's going to be using. So there's a place for a chair that goes there. And you can see it's completely whole right now. We're going to cut it out for the sink and the island in just a bit. But they barely made that corner to fit it in, but they did fit it in, and it looks really, really nice there. This is the biggest island top that we've made so far, so we're really proud of it. We also CNC'd 99 into the corner there. I actually don't know what that's for. That's what the client asked for. And you can see there's some areas that we filled in with epoxy here and there. All right, guys, we are about to cut a hole, a large hole, into a $10,000 piece of wood. And we're doing it on site, so can't make any mistakes.